this is so cool. I just want to show you guys, this is so cool. When I came from the shops in Hermanus, I drove by this helicopter, and the pilot was actually so generous and everything. He told me, no, you can take as much photos as you want, and go wild. I can open the door, everything. So this was it's such a cool experience. It's the first time actually that I get to be this close to a helicopter and taking as much photos as I want. I mean, just look the interior inside. Just look at it. Just look at all those functions and everything. You really need to know your job. Wow, this is so cool, man. And then at the back there's obviously seating. So such a nice experience, man. He told me that I know in V&A waterfront there's like helicopter flights and everything. So he flew this one family, I think they're from Sweden. He flew them all the way to Hermanus, so they will be back at 3 o'clock, he said. And yeah, just, I don't know, they're probably doing shopping or I don't know. But I mean, they flew all the way from Cape Town to Hermanus. Well, I think that should cost a fortune, but still I get to be part of this experience, I guess. So cool, man. The new year is starting very great.